Wetlands are a vital part of any environment. Their main job is to hold and filter water so it can purify itself and recharge the aquifer. They have many different appearances. Let's take a look at a wetland that has been restored through beaver dams.
This area is along Tumalo Creek near Bend, Oregon. A few decades ago, probably 3, this whole area burned. And it created a lot of devastation, especially to the watershed. This is the gradual evolution into a meadow from a stream that was running very fast. Luckily, some beavers moved in and decided to do what they do best. Build a dam, slow down the water, create a pond, and improve the ecosystem. In the early 1800s, the fashion was for beaver top hats. This became so profitable and so important, the whole fur trade was born out of it. The fad lasted about 30 years, and when it was over, the beaver were almost extinct in many places. Before the beavers got to work, this ravine would just flood every time it rained. The water would wash through kind of like a tsunami, washing everything away and muddying up the stream. You can see that the pond is already getting pretty shallow. This is at the back end of it. In some areas it's already been reclaimed from the stream. At some point, in a few years, this will become a meadow. So this is the meadow now. I'm walking on it, and it's dry land. Very lush and green. This will become good grazing and feed a lot of animals that eat grass like deer, elk, moose, and other such animals. It will also make some really nice wildflowers. Here's what it looks like downstream even further. The beaver dam has created a wetland. It's pretty much taken a lot of the silt and other debris out of the water. Another benefit to a beaver pond is that it helps recharge the water aquifer, and it provides drinking water for many, many animals. During dry spells, this becomes really important. And there's a wide variety of plant life out here, many different species. Off toward the edges there, you can see shrubs are starting to come in. And further back, you see the full-blown trees. So someday this will be a forest again.
Thanks for coming along on the hike today. I hope you learned something. I did. This is Survival Common Sense. Thanks for watching, and stay safe. For more common sense wilderness survival tips, check out my book, Bushcraft Basics. It's available at most bookstores.